Well, alrighty, good morning everybody. Welcome to Las Vegas Day 4, PJ. Just doing stuff. Today's the jump. We're gonna go jump at the Strat, but hopefully they'll let us jump because it's raining right now. I don't know if they'll let you jump in the rain or not, but the jump's not till 6 o'clock, so we'll all find out together. Right now I'm gonna head down to Target. I broke my tripod that holds my phone. I need that piece replaced or buy a similar piece. So we're gonna do that. We are down 1,300, which we're under budget. That's my saving grace is under budget. I was doing really good yesterday. I was up a bunch and just gave it back. I mean, I come here to gamble and have fun. Trying to get my points. I still need I need 6,000 more points, so I'm getting really close. Really close, but that means I need a big day so I can put that money back into the machines. Crazy how that is. I just want to keep gold status. That's a good deal. They waive resort fees and taxes and stuff on my room comps, so that's important. All right, we'll be back. We're going to go meet up with Cathy and maybe a few others. If not, the goal today is to hit up Fountaineblue, Sahara, and then of course the Strat. We'll be back. Peace, everybody. Yep, it's raining. Well, good morning. We're gonna do mega bucks to start the day, and then if we hit something, we'll come back and I'll show you. But let's get day 4 started right now. Well, the Starbucks is finally back open. How long's the line? Too long for me to want to sit around. All right, we'll get something somewhere. Okay, no one's hit the grand yet on Autumn Moon, so we'll throw a little bit of money in there and see if it'll be me. We'll be right back if we hit something. Can't believe no one's hit it. It's been 4 days. Well, not a bad start to the morning. We were low rolling, as you can see, 1 cent 50, but we got a $25 ball. Let's see if we can get something with words on it. Green letters, to be exact. And that's been there for a while. It's ready. There we go, a little saving grace. Come on, nice ball. Come on, green letters. How hard is that? All right, that's a good start to the day. For a 50-cent bet, those are good balls. Usually it's 50 and 25. Nice $25 capper. We like that. All right, we'll be back for hitting again. All right, we pressed our bet to 5 cents, and we got the bonus pretty quick, so that's good. Let's see how we do. Balls would be good. Come on. Damn it. Ooh, this will be good. Nope. Kings. It could have been anything but a letter. I mean, it's not bad. $36. We'll take that. We just wanted a much better. Ooh, there we go. Something like that. Something like that. That's a good win. Would have loved to not have that there, but hey, it is what it is. All right, one more spin. Chance to get some balls? No. All right, that's not a bad bonus, $92. I think we'll quit on that and go somewhere else. Talk to you soon. All right, well, hello everybody. Hopefully some of you caught my live stream walking outside. Yeah, I came back in and looky here. Park MGM has a Brian Christopher Pop and Pays More slot machine, so we're gonna do that. We'll give him a little, give him some coin. I met him, I was like, I think his 10,000th subscriber, that far long ago. And I met him with Windy City Frenzy and some other people. That was cool, it was pretty cool. He still knows who I am. That's even cooler. All right, let's do a few spins. We got 20 bucks in. We're lowballing this just to give you a couple of looks at it. I'm sure everyone's seen this slot. I haven't seen the NFL game here at the park. I know they got it at other places. Hey, I want $1.60. Ooh. Cash out. Ooh, one more. Line it up, line it up. Ah. Thought we might get a bonus for you. All right, that'll do it, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be back if we hit some.
Last night, Michael was playing it. And he, what's happening? Like, you just got a bonus. I love these new people who don't know what they're doing when they play slots, and they keep winning, and they have no idea what's going on.
We're heading over to Cosmo to play
Walking Dead.
Walking Dead.
And
we're going to win.
Yeah, that was good.
We're going to win. We're going to win.
We're convinced.
All right, we'll be back with just how that goes. All right, we're in the Cosmo Walking Dead. We said when we got together we were going to do this and some buffalo. We're going to do some Walking Dead.
Okay, we'll start low. Start on 75. How's that?
All right.
See how we go. We have one.
We're just going to do a couple of spins and then we'll come back in after we hit a bonus.
When?
Right after we hit one.
You got one. You got one.
Yeah, that's got to move over.
Yeah. Well, one hits.
All right, the neighbor got one. We'll see if we can get one. All right, we'll be back. All right, we're staying alive. We put $40 in and we're hanging right on it.
We've been playing for ages.
Yeah, we've been doing pretty good. 75-cent bet. We're right back where we started.
You're the lucky job.
She just wants free games.
That's all we want.
We're asking for so much. I don't
care
think
how
so.
much I win. I just want to get it.
Just play the game. Yep, play the bonus. Cheers, everybody. We're winners.
Cheers, we won. We got the bonus.
We'll be back with something else. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're still here at the Cosmo, me and Cathy, and we're going to play a little Texas tea for our fellow degenerate Mark, better known as Pennies for Vegas.
I don't know if he's going to like it, though. It's 50 cent minimum.
I know, that's above his, yeah, that's rich for Mark. We'll play it.
Very rich for Mark.
See how we do. We should probably finish on this machine so we can start making our way up the strip.
Oh, hell yeah. I have
We got
no
a ways
idea what
to
the
go.
time is.
Yeah.
We've got to meet everyone.
Yeah.
I didn't keep an eye on the time.
Our next stop's going to be poke our heads in the Sahara and then Fountaineblue and then over to the Strat for the jump.
Woohoo! Jump day. How do you win? How do you get
I
the
don't
thing?
know. We're just going to play it out and it's going to tell us.
Okay, is that something? Come on, do something. Do something. I'm guessing we needed 3 of those.
Strike it rich.
Ah. Oh, there's something, there's something. Okay, fun. What are we playing this down to?
We can play it off or try to double it up, get our money back.
Okay. All right. Come on. Come on. Ah. 2. Oh, yeah. White Russian, please. Thank
I'm
you.
good. I'm good. Yep.
Yay. Okay, we'll stay here and play it off as a White Russian coming.
Yeah.
That's decision made.
You gotta wait for your cocktail now.
Yeah. I should slow it down. Oh, how many times? Come on. Gimme. sense.
All right, we'll be back if we hit something. All right, well, they got the Bellagio sidewalk open. It was closed the other day. I don't know when it opened up. If it opened up on Thursday or Friday. Or, yeah, Wednesday it was closed. And this is what they did with the trees. Yeah, so it looks like they're in a giant planter. You can see where they dug up the concrete. They're just going to raise them and lower them. Raise them and lower them. But this wasn't where we wanted the trees at. But they got the street trees up. Definitely not as big, but there's trees.
By the way, at the moment,
What?
hello! Hello!
Hello, everybody!
It's like a lunch hour because we were just playing Walking Down Cosmo for the first time in a million years.
Those are nice!
They're lovely, darling. We actually got a bonus and a re-trigger bonus, and we've been playing with Cosmo.
We did.
For about, I don't know, 3/4 an hour?
Yeah, maybe even an hour. A couple of cocktails.
Yeah, a couple of cocktails, so it's good. But we are actually supposed to be at Fountaineblue, as I will continue to call it, at 3 o'clock to meet everyone. And we're running a little bit late, but we might make it.
We might. We got to get there in 40 minutes. I don't know. I don't know. Alrighty, that'll do it. See if I can get a little time lapse maybe. Alright, walking past Caesar's Palace. They got the new fountains cleaned up. Water's fairly clean. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Just missing a head. Flamingo. It's weird not seeing Donnie and Marie's giant faces on the wall there, but it's no longer there. Wonder how much those drivers get for driving the truck up and down the strip. That might be a good job. Just sit there, drive, listen to music.
I got my shades on and it's raining. Oh, it's such a...
It's all right. You're protecting your eyes from the water. We're looking pretty good. Everything looks so damn close. It's like 2 miles away. That's the thing. It's like it's right there. It's not right there. Oh, jeez. And it's probably, what, only a couple miles?
Yeah.
So it's not that bad.
We're walking across the train track.
Yeah.
There's no train coming. That'll be all right. I'm going to have to take my shades off. It's raining.
All right, we'll be back. I came up with this goal to play golf in all 50 of the U.S. states. So I started doing road trips every summer.
Okay.
And then I did one and I ended up coming out here again, which was like 2005.
Okay.
We're just talking about my trips to Vegas here, but we're looking at the Venetian. All right, here's a minute or two of the steer, but it doesn't look like it's doing anything. Just kind of hanging there, so maybe we'll catch it later. But there it is. All right, we are outside of the wind. All my videos are going to get copyright strikes, but you know what? I've told you guys 1,000 times, I don't care. I am never going to be able to retire from my 2,500 subscribers. I got a better chance of winning on the slot machine. But you know what? I still like doing it. And hopefully you guys enjoy watching. That's pretty cool. I need to make that deeper and do some cliff divers. That'd be a good show. All right, coming up on Resorts World. Fountaineblue is right there. Looks like it's a block, maybe 2 away, and it's probably a mile. To the left of that, in the back, you can see the Stratosphere, where we'll be jumping later on. All right, Las Vegas Convention Center, Westgate, and Fountaineblue. Blue. Blue? How do you say it? Blue? Bleu. Fountaineblue. Fountaineblue. Hopefully it's not going to be blah. It's going to be very giving mood. But there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Over there, Circus still working on cleaning that mess up. A paint job has done wonders just for the tent. Think what it'll do for the whole building. And then of course you gotta work the inside. Yeah. All right, Fountaineblue, Blue. That's what happens if you don't pay your bills. You don't make your car payment on time.
So bad.
All right. Some kind of Cadillac Galaxy 500. Yeah. All right. Nice entrance from the street. Let's walk into Fountaineblue for the first time. Where's the other half? Oh, they're in the back.
Smells good.
So far, so good.
Yeah.
What's up? Alrighty.
You know what it smells like. It smells really fresh.
It looks really nice. It looks like it's brand new.
It does, amazing.
It looks brand new.
Really new. It could just be open.
All right, I gotta make a stop here. All right, we'll be back. Pretty fabulous in here. Of course it is brand new, but wow, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Now we just gotta find the new members club so we can get cards. I gotta find my crew. They've all disappeared. All right, we'll be back when we find them. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, we're here at Fountaineblue, Buffalo Gold, and we just got 4 coins on a $1.20 bet. 15 spins. Let's see if we can beat $274 done by that young lady right there. $20 betting $1.20. She won $274. right, that's good. We got the 4 buffaloes early. Long way to go. Oh, I needed something here. That's gonna be good though. These things are great. You get 2 or 3 of these every time, you'll be a happy person. You'll be a happy person. 60? I dumped $80 in already, so I got my money back. All right, I need some re-triggers though. I need a re-trigger. One more. One more. Woo! Trying to catch you. All right, 7. That turns another animal loose. I don't know what are cougars. Turns the cougars loose. Give me 3. All right, come on, need a big hit. Coin. Oh, she got it again. She is on fire. All right, 5 more spins. Come on, let's get over 100. There we go. Nope, not quite. Getting closer though. Come on. You got it again. All right, 2 more spins to get over 100. Come on. Don't hose me. Son of a gun. All right, 92.30. Puts me over $100. So I was in for 80, so we're good. Backup spin. That never hits. All right, we're good. Thanks for watching.
100 credits.
All right, we got top dollar here. First offer 100 credits, not good enough. This does have double top dollar, so we want big numbers. Nope.
Third offer. 25 credits. Time 2. 50 credits. Time 2. 100 credits.
We really needed another number on that. We're trying again.
Final offer. 75 credits.
Oh well. Hey, that's life.
Winner.
So the high limit room at Fountaineblue, you see this entryway. You got his and her restrooms just shared. Nice little room. A couple of snacks. I don't see any coffee, but that's all good. But very nice. Very nice. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have reached our destination of the Strat for the big jump. I don't know if we're going to be able to do this live, but you will be able to see and hear me, probably each one of us. I'm hoping. Only 4 of the 6 of us are jumping. The Boulevard Boutique Apartments, ladies and gentlemen. If you're looking for a place to live, the Boutique Apartments might not be too bad. Of course, you design your own room, your own apartment to the way that you, and only you, would like it. Little Chapel of Hearts, Elvis Weddings. They're closed. They're closed. How can they be closed? Love is 24,356, right? Or 365. 24,365. It might be 356 for some. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we will be back chatting about our jump. We'll see you soon. Okay, these are our first four. Michael, Jane, Matt, and Cathy. You know, since I won't be being filmed doing this, we're gonna film these four. I'm the last to jump. So I'm gonna try to catch everybody on my GoPro. Plus I'm getting the wrist GoPro when they drop me. Very good, everybody. Very good. All right. Anything you want to say to your many fans out there?
Help.
Help.
Help. It was your fault.
I didn't ask to do this.
I didn't ask to do this.
I did, I'm gonna look at it.
And the veteran of the bunch, this is your 100th jump?
Fourth
jump.
Wait to do it.
Yeah.
You're next.
I am next. I am next. Luckily, we got them on film. I won't be as lucky, but we'll have a video. We'll have a GoPro strapped to my wrist. Fantastic. They face the fear.
Well done.
Touch my nuts.
How was it?
That was good. You know, I was expecting more of a drop when you jump off,
Yeah.
so you didn't get that like roller coaster.
Okay.
That was cool.
Well
Well
done.
done. Thanks for talking us into this. That was great.
The paparazzi.
Great.
You're being filmed all that.
I'm just saying, like,
We're all filming. I sent you one of them. A video. Don't worry, I'm a video. You're a video?
A video.
You're a video.
Hey, everybody.
Nice.
That was cool. Yeah,
Good job. I know, exactly. It's addictive.
It does go quick though.
It's so
I mean, I was expecting something totally different when it jumped off.
I know. It's much more calmer, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's going to be.
Get a little joke.
Sending you all the stuff here.
That's pretty cool.
You've got the prep that goes through many and your jump, and then they bring your jump as well. You're covered.
Excellent. Got a
From
couple
all
pictures.
angles.
All right.
And there goes all.
You made your final adjustments.
You on video or you?
I'm videoing right now.
I can't feel my nuts.
You can't feel your nuts. Okay, so this is something we need to pass on to future jumpers. You get numb nuts.
I want to give you some better ratings.
Yeah. I think you've got somebody going with you as well. There's two of you going up.
We gotta go.
Yeah? So apart from numbnuts, everything else is good? Okay.
Take a good look, everybody. It could be the last time you see Tropicana on this corner. Baseball fans going through, they'll probably start tearing this down pretty soon. But there's a nice shot. Ladies and gentlemen, that was very, very cool. It was just a tad disappointing when you jump off, because I was expecting like a free fall for maybe a second or two, just enough to get the adrenaline pumping. But it's pretty much controlled from the minute you step off until you hit the bottom. But it was still pretty cool, and I will definitely do this again, especially since my rate, I paid $139, actually $180 because I got the video package. But in the future, it's only going to cost me $70, so that's not bad. All right, off to gambling. We'll be back. All right, we're still here at the Stratosphere. Cathy and the others went to do some of the rides on top of the building. I came down to gamble, and I found a Cabinet of Curiosities. Fun game I used to play. This one looks a little different, but it was still a fun game. All right, so we're actually winning here. I'm up $115. We're gonna just do low rolling, try to get a bonus, show you what we get. And if I do, I'll be right back. Stay tuned. And just like that, I got the bonus. Open door to reveal items. Match items, win a progressive jackpot. Okay. Yeah, if we want something better. Oh shit. All I got was the minor, or the mini. Oh well, that was pretty cool bonus, so. Do I get to keep going? No. All right, that was that. We'll be back. We found Helen. Very good. So we're both, where are we at? Both doing a little gambling. Can't do it that way. There we go. We'll see how we do. We're on Big Food Cash Match. Never played it, so I should win, right? I thought I had a good bonus of $128. Helen is killing it. She got all three of those, and it just keeps giving her spins. How are you feeling about that?
Happy, very happy now.
She's very happy. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, that was a very fun day. Very fun day indeed. The jump was great. Meeting up with everybody, going down to the Strat, going down to. Never did make it into the hairline, but we did Fountaineblue, and it was pretty good. A lot of good fun. I am down again, but not as bad. Not as bad. So tomorrow's my last day, or actually today as you watch this. I'm checking out Saturday night, red eye, going back home. And that'll be that. That'll be another trip in the books. We'll see what happens. We're supposed to be back in April. We're definitely not coming back to the Super Bowl, not a chance. Unless somebody gives me free tickets. So anyhow. All right, everybody, that is it for day 4. Thanks for watching, and quick shout out to Helen and Cathy, Mike and Jan, Matt and Danielle. Great meeting you guys. Peace. Merry Christmas, everybody.